Yes, I am back. Sorry if it's kind of noisy, I know. I'm watch fighting, guys. So I am here. Make some slime on camera. So much about these headphones. I'm gonna make slime, guys. So let's get started. I'm gonna take out the slime. I'm just use this one. Here's so many. I'm not doing that much. So next, shaving cream. Sorry if it's loud. Tight. This is my This is not supposed to hide. Not that much. This is how they look in the room. Look at you guys win. Perfect one. Oh yeah, cream. This is something. What up? Ready? I'm making this one away. I'm making it for my school. I know, so we're gonna be watching this. What color you want? I'm gonna just give it to you. What color? And when are you gonna go back to school? I'll give it to you that day. I'll give you that day and just what color you want. Here's on the green. This light pink. It's supposed to be red, but yeah, that's all. And dark pink. Yeah. And black. And brown. Find me on Roblox. Monse_plays21. Sorry, Lindsay, for lying. And this one is short girl, I think. I'm keeping it. That's this one. But I will. And this is mine. I'll make it a little smaller. Yeah. What color should I have? This one.